Hi friends. Hope you are doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel AI Wale. In today's video I am unboxing Samsung A53 5G 8GB.
53 5G 8GB/128GB blue. With the ambient edge blending the camera with the body seamlessly, your Galaxy is entirely beautiful and fully functional with added battery capacity inside a slimmer, matte frame. Watch anything on your Galaxy's 120Hz Super AMOLED display to see how silky smooth is now a viewing experience with less blur, more details, and vivid contrast. With OIS, your Galaxy A53 5G records your videos more smoothly and captures finer details even in low light. Actual battery life varies by network environment, features and apps used, frequency of calls and messages, number of times charged, and many other factors. Point 2. Rated IP67 for water and dust resistance, the Galaxy A53 5G stands up to 1.0 meter of fresh water for up to 30 minutes. Game Booster tracks your gaming patterns to optimize your device's battery life, temperature and memory, while blocking background activities and notifications so you won't lose focus. Galaxy devices must be logged in to the same Samsung account to enable auto switch. Your apps on Galaxy A53 5G, now on PC. Asterisk users must link their Samsung Galaxy device to their Windows PC through Link to Windows on phone and your phone app on PC and follow the setup prompts, including being signed into the same Microsoft account. Your phone requires Samsung Galaxy device to be on and connected to the same Wi-Fi network as the PC. Asterisk the available functions and features for Samsung members app may vary by country and device. Actual battery life varies by network environment, features and apps used, frequency of calls and messages, number of times charged, and many other factors. 8GB RAM models will support up to 8GB of internal storage and 6GB RAM models will support up to 6GB of internal storage that can be used as virtual memory to improve app performance, compared to Galaxy A52 5G, values calculated based on internal laboratory test results. With 128GB of internal storage plus support for a microSD card up to 1TB, you've got room for all your precious moments. It spins slowly, showing the display, then the smooth rounded side of the phone with the SIM tray, then the matte finish and the minimal camera housing on the rear and comes to a stop at the front view again, /P. With the expansive 16.40 centimeters, 6.5-inch, Infinity-O display, enjoy vivid outdoor visibility up to 800 nits Superscript 1 while reducing blue light with the Eye Comfort Shield Superscript 2. The multi-lens camera on the Galaxy A53 5G takes photos to the next level. Feast your eyes on vibrant details with the FHD Plus Super AMOLED display. Get crisper, clearer shots with the 64MP OIS camera, expand your viewing angle with the ultra-wide camera, customize focus with the depth camera and get closer to details with the macro camera. Rated minimum capacity is 860 mAh.
Thank you for watching our video. Please share your fruitful review about the video and subscribe our channels AI Wale for more updates on technology, health, tech news, earning tips and much more. Thanks. Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.